External, sorry. External rotation.
Hip external rotation.
So for your hip external rotation, you're going to ask the client to sit on the mat, or on the mat mostly just because then you can have more room, okay, versus if she was on the floor, she'd be at this angle and it'd be a little bit harder to see it. So hip external rotation, you're going to have the axis on the knee joint, okay? And then you're going to have the stationary arm is going to be perpendicular to the floor, and then the movement arm is going to follow the leg. Okay?
Sit on the knee.
So for, yes, on the knee, like right at the doing external rotation first. Okay, so what I would ask her is then, Emily, can you turn your leg out with your knee sort of in this position? Your leg will come back this way. Good. Okay, so that again, sorry.
Out.
Out. No, that's right, external rotation. All right, can you bring your, so what I did was I followed it with the stationary, so I'm going to change it and follow it with the movement arm. This, the main point to remember is that the stationary arm needs to stay perpendicular to the floor. Okay, so the part that's tricky about doing external and internal rotation is that this has a tendency to move with the leg, and you want to make sure that you watch and make sure it stays in the same spot on the floor. Okay, do that for me one more time. So bring it down. Bring external rotation.
That's internal, right?
That's external rotation. So the foot is coming in. Hip external rotation, your foot comes in. Internal rotation, the foot goes out. Okay, so it's different than you would upper. So if you're doing hip external rotation, you're bringing your hip out, your foot will go in. Right? You're looking at the hip that we're measuring. Yeah. So internal is going to be opposite, which is why it's a little bit tricky too.
So how would you say that to them?
I would say, can you bring your hip out or turn your knee out away from your body?
Oh, turn your knee. Okay.
Turn your knee out away from your body.
Okay. Do that for me one more time. Can you bring your knee out close to body? Perfect. Okay, so she's lifting it up at that angle right there. So I have 0 to 40 degrees of hip external rotation. Okay, come back. Good. Did you guys see that? The normal for hip external rotation is 45. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing, but the opposite direction for hip internal rotation. Okay, so making sure to follow the stationary, making sure that stays stationary and follow the actual leg. So I'll say, Emily, can you turn your knee in towards your body for me?